Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Learning, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Charlie.
And I'm Paul. Charlie, you look full of energy today. What's going on?
Well, Paul, something exciting happened. I used English in a real life situation this morning.
Oh, that sounds interesting. What happened?
I was at a cafe and I ordered my breakfast in English. I was a little nervous.
That's true. Real life moments can feel scary.
Yes, but the person understood me and I felt so happy.
I feel the same when someone understands my second language. It's a big confidence boost.
Today's topic is speak English in real life situations. Many learners understand English, but speaking is the hard part.
That's true. Sometimes we think, what if I make a mistake? Or what if they don't understand me?
Exactly. But real progress happens when we try. Even simple sentences work.
Like when you meet someone, just say, "Hi, how are you?"
Or in a shop, excuse me, how much is this?
And at a bus stop, what time does the bus arrive?
These small phrases build big confidence.
And the more you use them, the more natural you sound.
Yes. The secret is this. Don't wait for perfect English.
Speak with the English you have right now.
That's how you grow. Little steps every day.
So the lesson is simple. Use English in daily life, even in small situations.
That's true. Every try makes you braver.
And every real-life moment helps you speak more naturally.
You don't need perfect English. You just need courage to start.
Keep practicing, keep growing, and thank you for learning with us.
And don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Yes, also, like my video and leave a comment.